Today we got a video from Red Zone Watch, and the title of the video is Suspect Steals Police Cruiser After Scuffle with Officer in Providence.
There was a collision on the highway, and although the police witnessed the accident, something unexpected occurred. Here's the full video.
You good?
Yeah. You all right, Bobby?
He hit you?
I did? Yeah. Oh my God. Are you okay?
Take that left.
Where did you get hit? Can we get him a paramedic, please?
Yeah.
Do you need a paramedic? Yes, I do. Okay.
24.
Can you open up the phone, please? Yes.
24.
Put me out at Broad and Atlantic. Possible pedestrian struck. I need a rescue.
Stop, boy. It is
Would you clip him? Well, I'm just gonna check that bag real quick, all right? Nothing in it?
No. I was just making sure. Hold on. I was just making sure everything. Hold on. I got you. I was just making sure everything was good.
Oh, hold on, let me see.
Go ahead, do your thing. Hold on. Real fast, because I was making sure everything was good.
Chill out.
Chill out.
Yo.
What?
24. Give me another car. The guy taking off on the bike.
on it.
24. We're running down Broad. Stand by.
2 cars to Broad in Atlanta.
Firearm. Black male. All in tan. He ran that way.
0-24. Tommy, where are you?
I'm at Broad and Atlantic. I can recover the gun. The gun fell out of the satchel. He took off running. I tried to yoke him up. I couldn't. He's ran inbound on Broad Street. The gun fell out, so I went back for that. I might have his ID on. I got his bike here too. Yeah.
All right, stand by that firearm right now. Let's get a perimeter set up.
He's got a tan shirt, shorts, heavy-set black male, gold chain. He's wearing glasses. He ran that way.
Tommy, did he continue on Broad or did he take a side street?
I don't know. He was running down Broad. Where's my car?
I don't know. We don't know about it.
Did somebody jump in my car? 236. Right here.
Right here?
That dude jumped in my car?
There you go. I got Oh my God. Wow.
He might be in 236, jumped in the car.
Tommy, you saying you might be in your cruiser?
Yeah.
Street now, going outbound towards Lexington. Between Austin and Lexington.
It was going down Atlantic.
Correction, is Atlantic?
Now that's crazy. First, I was gonna say, come on, man, you couldn't catch that big dude. He big, like he not athletic like that, man. You should have been able to catch him. But what saved it was his weapon fell out. He had to go grab that. You know what I'm saying? Because that's more important. We gonna catch up with him later because we got the bike. We can identify him. You know what I'm saying? So we could catch him on the back end. So that's a good thing. But man, so now I was reading the title. I was thinking about the title and it said Providence. And I'm thinking, oh, is this Providence, Rhode Island? Like, you know what I mean? Whatever. But gun charge, man, you had all that time. And I bet you before he got there, he was trying to, before the officers got there, that guy with the big guy was trying to tell the dude that he hit, yo, I got you. Don't say that I hit you. You know what I'm saying? Like, I bet you he was probably trying to say that. That's why in the beginning he was like, wow, I hit you, when he said it. You know, he's like, oh wow, I hit you. And then he tried to take the role of like, oh, I'm trying to help you, or whatever the case may be, or whatever. But once you was involved in it like that, then yeah, it's over with. You hit him, you know? But I bet you he was probably trying to tell him like, yo, don't say I hit you. Like, you know, type of deal.
Come out to Elmwood. 43, take a left on Elmwood. Yeah, my number almost now. Go back to Elmwood.
All right, one last thing. If he was smart, he would have took the car. Well, he obviously not too bright, but if someone was going to do that, you take the vehicle, you get as far as you could, but you can't stay in it too long. Maybe 2-3 minutes max, just to boop, hit it. You know what I'm saying? Hit it. And then you drop off the vehicle, and then you hit it on foot. You feel? That's how he should have did it. So if he gets caught in the vehicle still, he really cooked.
There's witnesses saying the subject took the police car. Staff, keep his location going. Run over now. He's still out. Atlantic just before Elmwood. In the area again, looking for a black male. Last saw wearing all tan. It's gonna be a black male. Tan shirt, tan shorts, glasses, gold chain. Must have been fled on foot. Last location was again Atlantic, just before Elmwood. No other update. Tommy, I'm coming to you now. Everybody else clear the area. Witnesses are saying that he went outbound on Elmwood Avenue after he left the cruiser.
I just gonna put this in here for now.
Firearm? Yep.
Yeah.
Did you touch the firearm at all?
Yeah, it fell on the fucking ground. So my right fucking foot hurt.
You have the right foot?
I tried to fucking kick him down. He's a big motherfucker.
All right.
I'm good though.
You good?
Yeah.
Dispatcher, witness said he might have went behind
Italian guy.
263 Adelaide, maybe towards Reservoir.
You want him to go?
Possibly
He has to
263
go.
Adelaide.
Take him. Okay.
Possible sighting in the rear of 263 Adelaide.
Get this motherfucker.
200. We have plenty of cars. I need a sergeant over there on scene to start getting these guys straightened
So I'm
out.
driving down, I see these two guys.
Adelaide. Description on this guy one more time,
Do
please.
you have his phone or anything too, do you think?
Just a bag.
Again, all
This
cars
is
can be
his?
described as a heavy set, black
ran
male,
around
last
this
soul
way.
wearing tan shirt,
might be
tan
something.
shorts,
An accident?
No, so
glasses, and a gold chain.
I'm behind them down there. It's another guy on another bike like this. They start zipping out of traffic. They come in the bike lane. This guy hits him. So I stop.
20, have a car check. The Tesla
He's down,
launch.
fucking
Whatever
face
the
down
fuck
on the
it is.
ground. This guy hit him.
Okay. What was he in?
He was in a scooter. He was driving this way down the street on the scooter. He fucking clips him. So I jump out with it.
All right, if we can get
The
somebody
guy
on
has-
foot, check the train tracks. Run the train tracks under that overpass right there on Reservoir.
That guy's got a fucking...
You're in the gun there now.
Thank you, boys. Good job.
You went in court.
Fuck yeah.
Possibly.
I tried fighting with him on here. He's big. He got away.
Transport car. I think the street starts with a G. All right, text all cars. Subject's been apprehended. Gwyneth Court.
So
Robin Auto Transmission.
he clips him. I go to stop and check the pedestrian. He's fucked up. I think his arm's broken. So he walks away from me.
Yeah, 4-1, I'm with him.
He takes that satchel off and hangs it on the fucking...
1024.
He had it on him at first.
Yeah. Oh, didn't work.
He comes back, he's cooperating. He's fucked up, so I'm worried about
Jordan, we
getting
do
the
not need all
rescue.
these cars coming to Gwyneth Court. We're good.
So then
Everybody
he walks
keep that
away
one back
from
in the
me.
service.
I said, my man,
25 to 20.
25 to 20, I'm going to give you a call.
Yeah. All right. So
my phone, can somebody check that car to make sure he didn't steal my phone? My phone was in the cup holder.
the suspect's driving this, right, Tommy?
Yep.
Driving this. He's leaving in reckless driving, right? Comes over here. This victim right here. Crashes right into him. At that point, Tommy gets out, right? There's a bit of a foot pursuit.
He's on the, well, no, not yet. The guy's on the ground on the scooter. Get him up. The guy comes over. He's got that satchel on him. He starts, are you all right? Let's get him in a rescue. Yeah, no problem. He distanced himself from me. He walks back. He puts the satchel, hangs it on the bike.
Yep.
So I walk over. I make sure he's okay. Called his mom. I gave him his phone. I said, I'll be right back. I walked up to him. I said, hey, what are you doing? Let me see that bag. Oh, no, it's okay. It's okay. I grabbed the bag. He tried to jump on the bike, so I fucking grabbed him.
Okay.
I tried to pull him off. He was big. I couldn't get him off. Then he takes off running, so we did a U-turn there. I tried to kick his leg.
Right? So,
No, he was with another guy, and that guy took off.
Okay.
So I tried to kick his leg. I couldn't get him down, and then the gun dropped while I was running after him, so I went back to get the gun, and I want to leave the fucking gun in the middle of the street.
Was he in this lane when he hit the scooter?
Yes, they was zipping through, and then he came in, and the scooter was in this lane, too.
So just as far as the accident part, it's just basically he's operating in the bicycle lane and he hits a scooterist.
Yep.
And the scooterist is there.
Yep.
Do you have any of the scooterist information?
Nothing.
Okay. Let's see if I can get it.
that bike lane.
I wish we could have got more action on like them actually doing the pursuit and catching the guy. You know what I mean? But it is what it is. Beggars can't be choosers. You know what I'm saying? So, but yeah, crazy situation, man. I guarantee you, before the officers came, he put pressure on him to not say that I hit you. But it was already too late because the officers seen it. So they already seen what happened. So you caught up anyway. Because it seems like the big dude was caught by surprise when he said, "Oh, I hit you? Oh, is it?" Come on. That tells me that he tried to put pressure on dude. But dude was honest. Like, what the fuck? You got a fucking motorcycle. What the fuck are you doing in the goddamn fucking in the bike lane? Bro, like, what the hell? You know? Come on. Crazy, man. Crazy situation. And then he took the police car. Oh boy. But not only is you getting the gun charge, now you stole a police vehicle. Like, the gun charge is bad enough. I ain't gonna lie to you. That's bad. You looking at 3 to 5 for that alone. You know, New York, that's 5 off the rip. Like, we gonna catch you in 5 years. Sending them out of here, you know. But yeah, so you're gonna get like 3 to 5 for that. And then the police vehicle, oh, you're cooked. We gonna catch you. You probably gonna get like a nice 7-piece. 7-8 years for that. Hasta luego. Anyway, I think the officers did a pretty good job. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think they did. I'm giving them 5 out of 5. I'm gonna catch you in the next video.